Welcome to Interbill. How to select, create, bill, and review your client statements. From the log screen, select Statements. You are now in the Statements section on the Create Statements tab. You can bill one or more clients from this screen. If you are not using today's date for your client statements, select your statement date from this calendar. If you are billing one to a few clients, select them from here. If you are doing your end-of-the-month billing, click Ready to Bill Statements. Your Interbill program will select clients who have unbilled charges and display a pop-up asking if you want to include unpaid balances only statements. For clients who receive emailed statements, click Email Statements to Clients. Then click Bill Selected Statements. If you selected Email Statements, another screen will appear with clients to be emailed checked. Review this screen to make sure all of the clients that you want to email are checked, and your From email is displayed. When you are ready to email all statements, click Email Statements. If you need to add an email address, you can do it later, or you can cancel and do it now. If you've not already spell-checked entries from the log or pre-bill, you can run the spell check before billing. If there is a word that you want to find and/or find and replace in all of the selected statements, click Find and Replace. If you are interested in billing groups, for instance, billing one attorney at a time, check our group billing info video. If you want to select all clients to bill regardless of their unbilled and overdue payment status, click here. If you made the wrong selection, click the Clear Selection button. If you need to research, reprint, re-email, undo, or redraft a statement, select the Build Statements tab. From the Build Statements tab, you can undo your previous billing and start over. You can print or reprint individual or batches of statements. Let's reprint the statements that we just ran. Select the first client listed, England, and from the Batch Statement functions, click View Print Save Statements. If we want to undo all of the statements that we just ran and start over, select the first client, England. From the Batch Statement functions, click Undo Statement Batch. From Build Statements, you can reprint individual and batches of statements. To reprint the statement for Francois Pen, select the client and under Individual Statement functions, click View Print Save Statement. To reprint all June 30th, 2022 statements, change the batch grouping to Statement Date, then select only the first statement in the batch, Basketville Farms. Then press View Print Save Batch. If you want to email or re-email a statement, select the client and click Email Selected Statement. We will select Pen and press Email Selected Statement. If you want to email or re-email the entire batch of statements, select just the first statement in the batch. Again, we will select Basketville Farms from the June 30th batch and click Email Batch. In Build Statements, you view all statements for a client at one time. Let's enter client Walters. All statements for Walters are displayed. We can view each of them or redraft or undo one or more of the Walters statements. For information on redrafting and undoing statements, check those info videos. For information about reminder billing and accessing history statements, check out those info videos.